Hi everyone, so I'm making this quick video to show everyone how you can play the game, and I'm gonna log in into two different separate accounts. So you can see now this player who has logged in and this second player, they both are shown their status. And status means are you ready to play or are you not ready to play. Sometimes when you are logging in, you may see some players where the status is mentioned as online. So that if your status is online, you have to click this button to make sure this is ready to play, so that other person know that you are here logged in and you are ready to play the game. Second thing, you need to click here. Let's say this person is the host and this person will be the guest, so the host needs to create a free game. So let's click on this. It just created a new game. Refresh the page and you will see that new game has been created by Suimon agent, which is this account. This person does not even see that a game yet, because he needs to refresh it in his browser to see what is the most recent game created by somebody else. So now this guy is the guest, so he should copy this address. If you just click on it, it automatically copies, and he should paste it over here in the free game and click join free game. When you click on this, the other player, the host, gets a notification on his end that somebody has joined his game room. Now this host need to copy this ID, because he may have multiple accounts, multiple games created, and then he needs to paste it over here Excel and join free game. Now both players are logged in. They are going to get started. It's just loading the cards, and there we go. So now the gameplay can get started. Okay, I will try to play this game quickly in the main video. I will make it faster, but you can see the agents are shown, the players are shown, the exact scenario is there, and you need to understand that this 360 which is mentioned over here is the health power of each card which this person is holding in his hand. The other player, you cannot see the cards and their powers and everything, but the other player overall card HP is 340, because you can calculate it over here. So I'm showing it to let everybody know what are the components of the game and how does the game work. So this HP number has nothing to do with you winning or losing. The main thing is this energy. So if you see this energy bar is the most important one, based on which anyone wins or loses the game. So let me just play. So once the players are defeated, one is gonna be victorious, other one is defeated, then you just have to click return to menu, and if this box shows up, you can just close it, and you can see here Suimon agent and Chocojar played the game, and you can see that who is the winner. So you can see here the winner is Chocojar, this player who was the guest, and this player has been defeated. And if you see now, nobody can copy this game. It means this one is complete and the status is published. So just one small point I will mention, this is the paid version of the game, where we have not yet made it live because we are testing everything on the beta for the free game. But I'm just showing you, if you were part of our community and you filled out a form which we have sent it to you, we sent you Suimon's testnet tokens on testnet of Sui chain. Just like if you go to Sui Explorers, you will see this is the original Sui Explorer, where every Sui token is worth some money. But if you go to this one, this is a testnet. So testnet has no money, but it is used for testing purposes. So we are sending you those tokens. They are not tradable, you cannot sell them, but this is to test our game. So this is the original, and the testnet tokens are different. So in your Slush wallet or even in Phantom, you have to define which chain are you working. So you go to this profile tab, go to network, and make sure that you select testnet. So if you see, if I click mainnet on this account, it does not have any money. It does not have real Sui tokens in it. So you have to click here, go back to testnet, and this SUI I have over here, you see I have some SUI, and that SUI is basically is showing me some dollar value as well, but this is not the real money. And this SUI monster token is also on testnet, and it is trying to fetch the price from the real these services which give the pricing, but this is a testnet token. So you just have to connect your wallet. I'm using slush, and you see he is fetching my SUI balance and my Suimon token balance. So you can select any of these two tokens. Let's say if I select SUI, I can click on, let's say 0.05 SUI, and then I click stake SUI. It means now these tokens will go inside a smart contract, and another player needs to send similar amount of tokens in the smart contract, and then they will be matched together to play the game. So this is some of the things in this module is not finalized yet. That is why we won't recommend you to play the paid on-chain game, but you can play the free games and try to be on top of these leaderboards positions over here. You see every player has a stats over here, how many games they have started off and how many wins they have over there. So you need to make sure that you play games, test your skills, try to learn whatever is present in the game, and give us your feedback and comments. So coming back to paid on-chain game, I have selected SUI token. I will click on stake. It will open up this your wallet, and every transaction on SUI chain requires a little bit of SUI as a transaction fee. So you need to make sure that you have enough SUI on testnet also available in your wallet, otherwise this will not work. So I click approve. I have to enter my password, and it is checking for the blockchain confirmation for the transaction, and there we go. So now at this point, you as a user who is hosting a game have two options. Either you can create a paid on-chain game and you will become the host of that game, or if you have staked a certain amount of tokens, you need to search here in our game leaderboard. Just like if I'll go to some previous ones, you can see here there are some games which were paid in SUI. So these are the paid game room. Their color is green, and you can join the same game room. You have to search, make sure the other person is also ready to play, and then you guys can play. So right now for this this user, I will create a paid on-chain game room. You see a new game room was created, and you just have to refresh your page. We will try to automate this soon as well, and you will see that this new paid game room has been created by Suimon agent. And same will be the case if you connect your wallet, you go to slush, select Suimon token, and let's say you select 200,000 Suimon token, and you see I've got 1 million already from testnet. Stake this one. The process is the same, and I click approve. So if you click create paid on-chain game, another game has been created, and you will see that this game will start appearing within our game leaderboard. This one has paid Suimon tokens over here. So right now the process of the paid game will work like this. So if you have paid 200,000 tokens, and another player in this list has also, you have to just refresh on this side as well for the guest or anyone else to look at the data. So if this player also connect his wallet, pays 200,000, both of these 200,000 means 400,000 will be sent to a smart contract. Those will be placed there with these two users' names, and once they start playing a game, join that paid game room, those 400,000 tokens will be at stake. They will be used, and whoever will win the game, he will take 90% of those tokens, and 10% of the remaining tokens will be sent to a marketing wallet, where we can give those tokens back to our community. Anyone who is doing a lot of effort here and helping us test the game, we will give those people those rewarded tokens, or we can also burn them.